Hello my dear students, in my previous session we have discussed the problems on method of equation of parameter. In this session we have discussed Legendre's and Cauchy's linear differential equation. Consider the differential equation of the form a0 into x plus b whole square into y double dash plus a1 into x plus b into y dash plus a2 into y, that is equal to pi of x. Take this equation as equation 1 and is called the Legendre's differential equation of order 2. Here in this method, here we can take the substitution t is equal to log of x plus b, or e power t is equal to x plus b. Here first we can take x plus b into y double dash, that is equal to a into capital D into y, and x plus b whole square into y double dash, that is equal to a square into d minus 1 into y. Similarly for third order, x plus b whole cube into y triple dash, that is equal to here a cube into d minus 1 into d minus 2 into y. Here you observe that for the first derivative we can take only a, the coefficient of x, only a into the first derivative capital D into y. For the second order we can take a square, the coefficient of x, that is a square, and two terms d into d minus 1 into y. For the third derivative or third order we can take a cube into three terms. First term is d, second term is d minus 1, and the third term is d minus 2 into y. And therefore now equation 2, substitute equation 2 in equation 1 and solve the given problems. Next, Cauchy's differential equation. From equation 1, here that implies a is equal to, put a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0 in equation 1. Therefore here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1. Therefore a0 into, here a is equal to 1. 1 into x is x, b is 0. Therefore we get only a0 into x square. a0 into x square into y double dash, plus here a1 into, here x is 1, b is 0. x is 1, 1 into a is a. 1 into a is a, here b is 0. Therefore here a1 into y dash plus a to y, that is equal to pi of x. That is the Cauchy's differential equation. We reduce the second Legendre's differential equation into the Cauchy's linear differential equation by taking the substitution a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0 in equation 1. Now the equation becomes a0 into x square y double dash plus a1 into x into y dash plus a to y, that is equal to pi of x. For the Cauchy's differential equation, the substitution is t is equal to log x or e power t is equal to x. Here for a Legendre differential equation, the substitution is t is equal to log of x plus b or e power t is equal to x plus b. In case of Cauchy's differential equation, the substitution is t is equal to log x or e power t is equal to x. Here we can write x into y dash, that is equal to, here this is the first derivative. For first derivative here we can take only one term, capital D into y. Here for the second derivative we can take the two terms, d into d minus 1 into y. For the third derivative we can take three terms, therefore d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 into y. Here you observe that in Legendre's differential equation we can take a into the first derivative a, second derivative a square, third derivative a cube. But in the Cauchy's differential equation we don't take the coefficient of x. We can directly write the d into y, d into d minus 1 into y, d into d minus 1, d minus 2 into y. Problems. Solve x square into d square by 2 by dx square minus 3x into dy by dx plus 4 into y, that is equal to 1 plus x whole square. Here this can be written as here x square, d square y by dx square is the y double dash minus 3x dy by dx can be written as y dash plus 4 into y, that is equal to, here we can expand this term. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. Here a square, 1 square is 1, b square is x square plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into x, that is 2x. Take this equation 1. For Cauchy's differential equation, what is the substitution? T is equal to log x. For the Cauchy's differential equation, the substitution is t is equal to log x or e power t is equal to x. You can take the log on both sides, we get the previous term, that is t is equal to log x. Therefore x into y dash can be written as x into y dash, that is equal to d into y. This is the first derivative, only one term, d into y. And the second derivative x square into y double dash, that is equal to Here for the second derivative we have the two term. First term is d, second term is d minus 1 into y. Suppose in the problem we have third derivative. Suppose x cube into d cube y divided by dx cube. We have the three terms. The first term is d, second term is d minus 1, third term is d minus 2 into y. But here only we have up to second degree, therefore we have only two terms, d into d minus 1 into y. Substitute these values in given equation, that is equation 1. Therefore what is x square into y double dash? X square into y double dash is d into d minus 1 into y, and minus here 3 into what is x into y dash? X into y dash is d, capital D into y, plus here 4 into y, that is equal to, here what is x? X is e power t. What is x square? E power t whole square. E power t whole square is e power 2t, plus here 2 into what is x? X is e power t, therefore 2 into e power t plus 1, write as it is. Therefore here y is the common term, common term, take it outside. Therefore what is the remaining term here? D square minus 1, here minus 3d, here d square minus d minus 3d, that is minus 4d, here plus 4, here y is the common term, therefore that is equal to e power 2t plus 2 into e power t plus 1. Next find out the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is m square minus 4m plus 4, that is equal to 0. By using the calculator you can find out the roots of the auxiliary equation. Here the roots of the auxiliary equation is 2, that is a repeated root, 2 comma 2. Therefore these are the real and same root. What is the YC for real and same root? C1 plus C2 into t into e power 2t. Here because here d is equal to, what is d? D is equal to d by dt. That's why in the place of x we can write t. Therefore next we have to find out particular integral. Therefore RHS divided by f of d. Therefore e power 2t plus 2 into e power t plus 1 divided by d square minus 4d plus 4. Next this can be written as e power 2t divided by d square minus 4d plus 4 plus 2 into e power t divided by d square minus 4d plus 4 plus 1 divided by d square minus 4d plus 4. Here this is the type 1 problem, e power ax divided by f of d. Therefore replace d by a. Here what is a? E power a into t. Therefore a is 2. Replace d by 2. Here this is also type 1 problem. Therefore e power at. A is 1. Wherever d, replace d is equal to d by 1. Here this is constant. The constant can be written as e power 0 into x. Therefore replace d by 0. Wherever the constant in the numerator, replace d by 0. Therefore solve one by one. Here this can be written as I take this as P1 and this is P2 and this is P3. Therefore what is P1? Here if we take d is equal to 2, d square is 4. D square is 4. Here 4 plus 4 is 8. Minus 4 into d is 2. Therefore plus 2 plus 8 minus 8, that is 0. Denominator is equal to 0. Multiply t in the numerator, not x. Here this is in terms of t. Therefore we can multiply t in the numerator. Therefore t into e power 2t divided by differentiate the previous term. Here what is the differentiation of d square? That is 2d. The differentiation of minus 4d is minus 4 and 4 is constant 0. And again replace d by 2. Therefore again the denominator is equal to 0 because the d is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Denominator is equal to 0. Again multiply t in the numerator, that is the t square e power 2t divided by differentiate previous term. Differentiation of 2d is 2, minus 4 is constant 0. Next here also plus 2 into replace d by 1. 1 square is 1, minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled. Here only 1. Therefore e power 2t divided by 1 is 2 into e power t. 2 into e power t divided by 1. Plus here replace d is equal to 0. This is 0. This is 0. Only we get 1 divided by 4. 1 by 4. This is the yp. Therefore y is equal to, the general solution is given by y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral, that is yc plus yp. Therefore what is yc? Yc is c1 plus c2 into t into e power 2t plus yp. Yp is t square into e power 2t divided by 2 plus the 2 into e power t plus 1 by 4. And where what is the substitution here? T is equal to log x or e power t is equal to x. Therefore y is equal to c1 plus c2 into What is t? T is log x into e power 2t. Here e power t is equal to x. What is x square? E power t whole square or e power 2t. Therefore e power 2t is x square plus here what is t? T is log x. Therefore log x whole square. Here what is the e power 2t? E power 2t is x square divided by 2 plus 2 into what is e power t? E power t is x plus 1 by 4. This is the solution. Next second problem. Solve x square into y double dash plus x into y dash plus 9 into y, that is equal to 3x square plus sine of 3 into log x. Here this is the Cauchy's linear differential equation, because here only we have x terms, not ax plus b terms. If in the equation ax plus b terms are there, that is the Legendre's differential equation. Therefore this is the linear differential Cauchy's linear differential equation. Therefore, what is the substitution for Cauchy's linear differential equation? Put t is equal to log x or e power t is equal to x. And what is x into y dash? Here x into y dash is equal to, this is the first derivative, first order. Therefore, we have only one term, d into y. Here what is x square into y double dash? Therefore, that is equal to, we must write two terms. First term is d, second term is d minus 1 into y. Substitute these two in equation 1. Therefore, what is x square into y double dash? X square into y double dash is d into d minus 1 into y plus what is the x into y dash? That is capital D into y plus 9y, that is equal to here 3 into what is x square? Here x is equal to e power t. X square is equal to e power t whole square or e power 2t. Therefore, 3 into x square is e power 2t plus sine 3 into what is log x? Log x is t. Therefore, next here y is the common term. Take it outside. Therefore, d into d is d square. Here minus d into 1 is minus d. Here plus d plus 9. It is equal to 3 into e power 2t plus sine 3t. What is the auxiliary equation? Here d get cancel. Minus d plus d get cancel. Only we have d square plus 9 into y plus 3 into e power 2t plus sine 3t. Therefore, what is the auxiliary equation? M square plus 9, that is equal to 0. Here m square is equal to minus 9. Take the square root on both sides. Therefore, the square root of m square is m. That is equal to the square root of minus 9 is plus or minus 3i. This is the imaginary root. Therefore, what is the yc? Yc is c1 into cos 3t. You don't write here x. Therefore, here the capital D is equal to d by dt, not d by dx. Therefore, we must write y is equal to in terms of t. Therefore, c1 cos 3t plus c2 into sin 3t. Next, yp, the particular integral. Therefore, yp is equal to 3 into e power 2t plus sin 3t, the whole divided by d square minus d square plus 9. D square plus 9. Therefore, this can be written as 3 into e power 2t divided by d square plus 9 plus sin 3t divided by d square plus 9. Here this is the type 1 problem. E power ax divided by f of d. Replace d by a. A is 2. Therefore, that is equal to 3 into e power 2t divided by, here d is equal to 2. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. Plus here this is the type 2 problem. Sin ax divided by f of d square. Here what is the value of a here? A is equal to 3. In the type 2 problem, replace d square by minus a square, that is equal to minus, here a is 3. 3 square is 9. Therefore, sin 3t divided by d square is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 9, the denominator is equal to 0. If denominator is equal to 0, multiply t in the numerator. Therefore, t into sin 3t divided by differentiate the previous term. What is the differentiation of d square? That is 2d. 9 is the constant, 0. Therefore, that is equal to 3 into e power 2t divided by 13 plus here t into sin 3t divided by 2d. That is equal to 3 into e power 2t divided by 13 plus here write t by 2. Write t divided by 2 as it is. Here what is the 1 by d? What is sin 3 divided by d? That is the integration. Here 1 by d is the integration of sin 3t. The integration of sin 3t is minus cos 3t divided by 3. Therefore, 3 into e power 2t divided by 13. Here plus into minus is minus. 3 into cos 3t divided by 2 into 3 is 6. Therefore, the general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. What is yc? c1 cos 3t plus c2 sin 3t plus what is yp? 3 into e power 2t divided by 13 minus 3 into cos 3t divided by 6 and replace t is equal to log x and e power t is equal to x. Therefore, that is equal to C1 cos 3 into t. T is log x plus C2 into sin 3 is t is log x plus 3 into what is e power 2t? E power 2t is equal to x square divided by 13 plus here t is log x into cos of 3 into t. What is t? Log x divided by 6. That is the solution for that is the solution for given differential equation. Thank you.